This is Fluency Module 3, Lesson 30, and you're going to need to make sure you have your whiteboard and marker or pencil and paper. And on all of these problems, I'm going to have you pause the video and you do the problem and then come back and check to see that you have done the same thing I've done. So go ahead and pause right now, work out this problem, and then turn your video back on. All right, we're going to start here with kind of a review of our multiplication that we have done. It's been a while, actually, because we've been on division, but let's start in the ones. 3 ones times 2 is 6 ones. We don't need to take anything over into the tens place. So then we'll go over to the tens, and 7 tens times 2, that's 14 tens. So we're going to carry that, take that 1 10 over into the hundreds. The 10 tens. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1, 15. So your answer there should have been 1,546. Let's look at the next one, 147 times 3. Again, shut your video off and then come back when you have solved it. All right, 7 times 3. 21, let's put the 1 in the ones column. Let's carry those 2 tens over into the tens. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus the 2 tens gives us 14 tens. So we're going to carry those 10 tens over as 100. 1 times 3. 100 times 3 is 300 plus 1 is 400. So our answer there should have been 441. Alrighty, next. Same thing, we're working with 4 digits instead of 3 digits, but the process is still the same. So 5 times 3 is 15. We'll take that 1 over here to the tens. 0 times 3 is 3 plus, 0 times 3 is 0 plus 1 is 1. So nothing to take over into the hundreds. 6 times 3 is 18. We'll take 10 of those over into the thousands, and 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So our answer there, 4,815. All right, let's look at this one. Our numbers are getting a little bit bigger, still in the thousands. We'll start over here. 1 times 5 is 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Let's take those 20 tens over into the hundreds. 7 times 5 is 35, plus those 2 is 37. We'll take our 3 over, and 5 times 5 is 25, plus 3 is 28. And our answer here is 28,705. All right, let's do some quick division problems. 15 ones divided by 3. Well, 15 divided by 3 is 5 ones, so our answer is 5. 15 tens divided by 3, well, again, 15 divided by 3 is 5, but 5 tens makes our answer 50. And 25 hundreds divided by 5, 25 divided by 5 hundreds gives us 500. Let's look at that last page. 21 hundreds divided by 3, 21 divided by 3 is 7 hundreds, so we're going to add our 2 zeros for hundreds. 28 tens divided by 4 is 7 tens, or 70. 30 tens divided by 5 gives us 6 tens, or 60. And 40 hundreds divided by 5 gives us 8 hundreds. That's the end of Fluency for today.